A very good day to you. My name is Omboy Daniel, and we're still on our master class, and I'm glad that you're here. So today we're going to start going in trading strategy. So in this lesson, we're going to discuss our exclusive trading strategy. We have two parts. So we're going to start with the first part of this trading strategy. So the tools to be used, we're going to use order blocks, which we will draw on H4. We are going to use the break of structure. We are going to check the break of structure on H4 as well. We're going to use the super trend indicator, which we're going to use it on H4 only, and it's going to be a confirmation signal. Then you're going to use the PTL indicator, and it's our re-entry signal, which we're going to use on H1. So buy entry conditions. In this first section of the strategy, we're going to do the theory part, then you're going to go to the practical part. So the market has to break the most recent resistance level or an order block. So we're talking about a buy entry. So the market has to break above the resistance, then the ST has to change color from red to green, and a healthy candle must close. So those are two conditions. The first one, the market has to either break an order block, the most recent one, or a structure. So by a structure means the resistance. And the super trend has to change color from red to green, and a candle has to close. Then when the two conditions have been met, we enter a buy. We are going to put the stop loss below the last order block, and if the order block is near the support, we are going to use the support. Then you're going to put it below 40 pips below, because this is a swing strategy. Then you're going to trail using the order blocks or the structures for H4, and we're going to use 40 pips below, just like the stop loss. This strategy, the first part of the strategy, is all done on H4. Okay? Exit when the stop loss is hit, or if there is a break of support or a break of order block, or the opposite side signal. So if there's a break of support, it means now we are moving from buy to sell. So for the sell entry conditions, the market has to break the most recent support level or an OB. When I say an OB, I mean a sell order block, because this is a sell entry. No, when I say the last OB, it has to be the last, we're going down. So the OB that was formed so that we continue going down, if it's broken or the support level is broken, then we're going to enter sell. So the floor is the one to be broken. So for the sell entry conditions, the market has to break the most recent support level or an OB. The super trend has to change color from green to red, and a healthy candle must close. When I say healthy, I mean the bodies are bigger than the wicks, and the break of structure needs to be done by a body of a candle and not a wick. When the two conditions have been met, we enter a sell. Stop loss should be 40 pips above the last order block, and if the order block is near the minor resistance, use the resistance to set stop loss. Trail using order blocks and resistance 40 pips above. Exit when the stop loss is hit, if there is a break of resistance or break of an order block, or the opposite side signal appears. So let me read that again. Exit when the stop loss is hit, if there is a break of resistance or break of an order block, or an opposite side signal appears. So it means if you want to sell, then a signal for buy or the buy conditions come in, then you exit. So the illustration looks like this. We start with down here. You can see this part. This is a buy. This is a buy. Then here we just changed to a sell. So let's start here. This was a structure that was broken. A break of structure plus super trend change of color is equals to confirmed buy entry. So we could have entered a buy somewhere around here, because this super trend must have changed with this candle. But I have put the super trend that I use arrows so that it can show me. So I'm going to see a way to attach it so that you can also get the super trend, the same one that I have. So let's say the super trend changed color here. So you will have entered with this candle. This is your order block. So your buy, this is your buy order block. Stop loss should be 40 pips away from this order block. Then you will go trailing with these order blocks that are being formed for buy. Then what happened here? This was an order block. The market went down, then came down and broke the order block. So that means there's a break of structure on order block, and the super trend had already changed color. So when the two conditions align, it's a confirmed sell entry. So then you're going to delete this one and draw the new order block for buy. Then you set your stop loss 40 pips away from this order block. This is a different way of using it. The people who use it as it has to break the order block, then go and test it, then now you get an entry signal. We are going to see that when we're doing our re-entry strategy, or the second part of this strategy. But this is how you analyze the market on H4. This is us just combining order blocks, break of structure, and the super trend, all on H4. So this is the first part of the strategy. Kindly go back to the buy and sell, entry and exit conditions, then look at this picture again. Make sure you understand it before we go to the second part of the strategy. So that will be it for now. Break time. So see you in our practical lessons. But before the practical, I'll have to first cover the second strategy so we can now combine both of them practically. Thank you.